This is our 2009 Volkswagen Eos. This is the Lux edition. So it means it just had some premium over the comfort, which was one up from the base. Mainly interior upgrades, but still a beautiful looking car. It's very sporty. Little fun fact, all EOS's came as convertibles, as you can tell. This one is a hardtop. Very nice. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the inside, and then we'll open up the hood and show you guys the top. And heading on in, we'll see a clean leather interior. It's got the works carpeting's in great condition. Let me take that key out so it stops buzzing at us. Carpeting's in great condition, as well as the dash. You can see the mile read, just over 92,000. But good condition. It's really the only cosmetic issue that I saw on the inside. But it's almost a 10-year-old car, so it's to be expected. Runs great, sounds great, and let's go ahead and take a peek on the engine bay. All right, with the door opened up, we'll see the 2-liter V4. Great on gas, cruises fine. AC blows cold, doesn't burn any oil, no smell to it. It's nice and tidy. Kind of is what it is. You see what you get. She drives great. All right, we have my friend John here, helping us demonstrate the top, how it folds into the trunk. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and get a side profile for you guys to see all the magic happening. German engineering, guys. All right, well, wait a second. We'll head on back up now. Here we go. It's probably my favorite part. Watch those little flaps. They all adjust themselves. So cool. There they go. Awesome engineered vehicle. It is a clean Carfax, and the I think it's a 2-owner. It's a fantastic little car. And come check it out on either our website or come see it in person.